Hello guys, welcome to Omnific Tech Ideas. And on our previous episode, we learned how to detect whether a link is secured or treacherous. And on this episode, we are going to learn how to detect whether a file or document is secured or treacherous. When a file is sent or a document is sent in your DM or in any of your WhatsApp groups, do not open the file. Do not open the file or document because you don't know what the file contains, whether it contains virus, malware, or malicious content. So you dare not to open any file or document sent to you. What you have to do is, using this file as an example, using the last file as an example, what you have to do is you keep the name in mind. That's base.apk. Then you go to your Google search engine. Move to your Google search engine. Then you type in virus total, as we did in our previous episode whilst checking for secured link and treacherous links. Okay, so on our previous episode, we learned that links are URL, but this is a file that we are going to search for. So you choose file, and the maximum size of file that you can choose for this scan is 650 megabytes. If the file is more than 650 megabytes, the app or the site cannot load that particular file. So you go to search, you come to search here, then you type in base.apk. That's the file name on our WhatsApp. The file which was shared to us on our WhatsApp, the name of the file was base.apk. Then you search. So we can locate the file here. Then you tap on the file. After tapping on the file, you see that the virus total website will load the file into their system and analyze the file, whether it contains a malicious content, malware, or virus. So we wait whilst the computing hash is loading. Okay, now these are results. So detection, security vendors analysis. We can see from here that some security vendors has flagged the file to be malware. Others have also flagged it to be a Trojan. Trojan simply means, let's say, a file that seems to be unharmful, meanwhile it contains malware or malicious content. So you may see the file to be unharmful or the file to be a genuine file, meanwhile within the file contains a malware or malicious content. So from the security vendors analysis, the second security vendor, that's Avast Mobile. We know Avast to be an antivirus company, and they have flagged the particular APK, that's the file, as a malware. So we dare not to open that file. But what you have to do is, you have to go back to the file in your DM, highlight on the file, and delete the file. Delete the file from your end. You just delete the file from your end. So this is the same procedure that you are going to use for the document. From this document, we can see, using the first document as an example, the name of the document is guidelines1.rtf. So you keep that name in mind, you go to your search engine using the same procedure. Go to virus total, choose file, media picker, then you click on the search box, then you type in the document name, that's guideline 1 .rtf. This is the result. Then you tap on the guideline 1.rtf. So we wait whilst. Okay, wow, there's the results. So you can see from the security vendors analysis that there was no malware or malicious content detected in that document. So undetected, you can see that they've cleaned the file. Immediately you see the green tick, meaning that the file is clean. So almost all the security vendors flagged the file to be clean, or they didn't detect any malware or malicious content in that particular document. So this is how to detect whether a file or document is secured or treacherous. This is the end of this episode. Thank you.